Hello everyone. This quick tutorial is to give you an understanding basically about Microsoft Excel. There are two important facilities in Microsoft Excel called Microsoft Excel functions and Microsoft Excel formulas. I'm sure you can remember we already know how to type formulas in Microsoft Excel. So what is a formula? It is a mathematical or statistical expression which usually starts with equal sign. So as an example, even if you recall the formulas you typed in today's activity, you can remember we used to add values. We used to subtract values. Similarly, we can multiply values or divide values as well. So this functionality we call a formula. And let's see what is a Microsoft Excel function. Now imagine take values from A3 to A9. If you are to type the formula, this is what you should type. You have to type equal A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus so and so and so and so and so plus up to A9. So this is what you should type if you are going to use the Microsoft Excel formula. Imagine you have to get the total of 100 values. So you have to mention all 100 cell references. But you don't have to do this. Instead, we have a shortcut method. So the shortcut method, in Excel, we have a function called sum function. When you use the sum function, you can simply type equal sum open brackets A3 colon A9. So if you use this sum function, you are simply going to get the same result. So what you have to understand about the sum function in Microsoft Excel is to add values. You might already know in mathematics, the sum refers to a mathematical working. But here it is different. The sum function is to show the addition, not anything else, not subtraction, multiplication or division, only addition of values. Okay? So sum function is to add values. So with that understanding in mind, just go to this side, the right hand side of the white screen. So here a function is a built-in function provided by Microsoft Excel. Once again, it starts with an equal sign. Here are some of the examples. Equal sum A3 comma B5. Here you have a comma. So what will happen if you type this? It will add values in A3 and B5. If you use the function like this, equal sum A3 colon A9. Look at this picture. It adds the value in the whole array. The whole array from A3 to A9. Okay. I don't want to confuse you with this, so I'm just using the sum function once again. Right. If you have the third example right now, I modified it. Equals sum A3 to B9. So here it It's a range of values. It's the whole range of values will be added. So I hope you understand the difference between formulas and functions. Children, does this mean, is this the only function in Microsoft Excel? Is it the only the sum function in Microsoft Excel? No, we have other functions as well. So sum is just one function in Microsoft Excel, whereas you have lots of other functions as well. Another example of a function, let me use a different color. Another function, we have an average function. Another function, count. Let's see what these things are. Another function, SUMIF. Similarly, there are loads of other functions like this. So with that understanding, the difference between functions and formulas, let's please watch the second tutorial, which is about sum function. Thank you.